Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here with another product reveal, and today I'll be sharing the Snowy Watermill stamp. This is a red rubber cling mounted stamp, and it measures about 3.5 by 5. And to use the cling mounted stamps, you remove the protective backing, and then it's ready to use with an acrylic block or a stamping tool or a positioning tool. I'm going to stamp it out for you so you can see all the detail that shows up when you do stamp this image. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. This one I stamped it full and colored with my Copic markers and added some glitter to the snowy areas. And for the second card, I used just a portion of the stamp along with the new Extreme Postage Die Set. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information, I'll have it linked in the description box below for you. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.